Hi guys! Today we make Google Docs read aloud to you. First, unlock your iPhone so we can access all the settings easily. Now go ahead and open the Settings app. This is where we'll enable the feature that reads your screen out loud. Don't worry if there are too many options. We'll go step by step. Once it opens, just scroll down. Scroll down until you find Accessibility and tap on it. This section includes all the helpful features for better usability. We're going to use one of these features to enable voice reading. Once inside, look for the Vision section. Now, under Vision, tap on the Read and Speak or Spoken Content option. This is the main feature that allows your phone to read text aloud. It might sound a bit technical, but it's actually very easy to use. Just tap to open more settings. Here, find the option called Speak Screen and turn it on. This means when you swipe down with 2 fingers, your phone will read everything on the screen. It's honestly one of the most useful hidden features on iPhone. Make sure the toggle turns green. Now go back and open the Google Docs app. This is where we'll actually test the reading feature. Just tap on the app and wait for it to load. Once inside, pick any document. Open any document that you want to listen to. It can be notes, assignments, or anything you've written. Make sure the text is visible on your screen. Now we're ready for the final step. Now swipe down with 2 fingers from the top of the screen. As soon as you do that, your iPhone will start reading the content aloud. You'll hear a voice reading everything clearly, which is super helpful. And just like that, your Google Docs is now reading for you. So yeah, that's how you can make Google Docs read aloud to you on iPhone. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment if you need more tips like this.